Yeah, Hyderabad Central University previous year question paper, and it's from molecular microbiology MSc entrance examination. Here we discuss part A, which have 1 to 25 questions. Every year HCU repeats questions like from previous year question papers. Some of the questions definitely you can see in this year questions. So once go through all the previous year question papers so you can get some marks. And you can get some idea how the exam pattern is, how the questions they frame. So by solving all the previous year question papers or by seeing all the previous year question papers, you get some idea. Here I am going to solve all the previous year question papers from last 10 years. So once check my channel, it's Rise and Slay. Do watch all the question papers so that you can benefit it. Here you can see this, it's an entrance examination 2019 question paper, MSc Molecular Microbiology, and the maximum marks is 100, and the instructions you can read below. The main thing is that it has two parts, part A and part B. Part A have 25 questions and part B have 75 questions. So here we'll see the part A, and the main important one is it has negative marking of 0.33 marks. So be careful when you put the answer. Well, we'll start our part A. So the first question is, which of the following statement is not correct regarding spirochetes? Here I'm not going to explain the answer. I'll just tick the answer which is correct, or else the video will be too lengthier and you feel discomfortable to watch. So here the answer is B. Spirochetes, like other bacteria, swim best in media of low viscosity. Then second question, ionic radii are. The answer is D, greater than the respective atomic radii of electronegativity elements. Okay. Then third, an epidemic disease of paddy that caused the Bengal famine is. It's a C, brown spot disease of rice by Helminthosporium. You know what is epidemic? When a state is suffering with a particular disease. State means in the state all the individuals are suffering with a particular disease, then it is an epidemic. And if overall the world is it's like overall the world is suffering with a particular disease, then it is called a pandemic. So the best example for pandemic is COVID-19. Yes. Then okay, next question, fourth, which of the following are function of maintenance media? Here the answer is, it's a D, maintenance media used for conservation of the viability and physiological characteristics. Okay, next question, curdlan is. It's from biochemistry. And the answer is A, polymer of beta 1,3 linked glucose residues. Then sixth question, kelps are which of the following type of algae? It's a brown algae. So once go through all the algae and its example. There is a chance of coming questions from this also. Okay, seventh question, anthromycin, tomomycin and neothromycin are which of the following type of antibodies? It's a D. B. Sorry, it's a B, anti-tumor. Then eighth question, which of the following bacteria requires nicotinic acid as a growth factor in their media? And the answer is Proteus vulgaris, A. Next, which of the following reagent information is correct regarding Lucas reagent? The answer is A, a mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride are used for distinguish three types of alcohol. It's a A. Then what is perisperm? The answer is B, the layer of nutritive tissue derived from the nucellus that surrounds the embryo and embryo of a seed in some angiosperm. Next, 11th question, Which of the following statement is incorrect of conjugation in bacterium? So here the answer is both DNA strands of the F plasmid are first replicated, then nicked and finally transferred to recipient cells. D. Once see all the conjugation, like there's a transduction, transformation, specialized transformations are there. Once go and see all those, check those. Next, mesoform of tartaric acid is C. Neither levo nor dextrorotatory due to internal combustion. Next, a reaction in which two sigma bonds are lost and a new pi bond is formed is an example of C. Elimination reaction. So you can see even what is rearrangement reaction, substitution reaction, addition reaction. So if the question come, different question come, then if the answer may have rearrangement reaction like that. So once see this. Next, 14th. Chromatium Ocani uses which of the following compound as electron donor for photoautotropic growth? And the answer is A. Hydrogen sulfide. Next, in the structural formula of CuSO4 5H2O, the answer is B. 4 molecules of water are coordinated to the central Cu2+ ion and 1 is hydrogen bonded to the sulfate group. Then 16th, the compound that would produce a silver mirror with Tollens reagent is, it's A. HCOOH. Then 17th question, the broad spectrum digestive enzyme formulation designed to support optimal breakdown and absorption of proteins, fats and carbohydrates is known as protozymes. It's a C. Then 1C, what is allozymes, isozymes, novozymes? Then 18th, the bioluminescent dinoflagellates are, it's a Noctula and Gonulax. Bioluminescence means which produce light, right? So that is A. Then one of the following is not a member of Enterobacteriaceae. It's D. Stigmatella. Okay, the next question, the stage in the life history of Plasmodium which can be found both in primary and secondary host is, it's a gametocyte. D. Next, identify the mismatch below. So this question is from electron transport system or electron transport chain. Like everyone know that electron transport chain have some 5 complexes, complex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and those complex have specific names, and every complex is inhibited by some chemicals. So are some antibiotics. So once see all those antibiotics or all those 5 inhibitors which inhibit every complex, every one complex have specific antibiotic which inhibit that. So once go and see all those inhibitors of electron transport chain. Okay, so here the answer is, which is incorrect, mismatch. Here the answer is 4D. Next, all of the following events occur during meiosis 1 except, it's a C. Sister chromatids of each homologous chromosome separate and migrate toward different poles. Okay, once see meiosis steps, mitosis steps. Which of the following method can be utilized for removing peripheral proteins of the cytoplasmic membrane? It's a B. Osmotic shock. Which among the following developed in the upper portion of Vinogradsky column? So upper portion of Vinogradsky column, we see that Theobacilli. Okay, so in Vinogradsky column there are some regions. Below have some specific bacteria grown, middle some specific bacteria grown, supernatant some specific bacteria are grown. So once see all those bacteria which are grown in Vinogradsky column. Next, last question of part A. If the GC content of a DNA molecule is 54%, then the content of A and T in this molecule is. It's a B, 23% and 23% respectively. So here we solved all the part A questions, 1 to 25 questions, and next we'll divide part B into 3 parts, part B, C and D, because 25, 25, 25 we are going to solve. So part B we'll see in next video. So yes, all the best all. Prepare well, don't waste your time, and thank you.